Today I'm going to test this nail fungus cleaning laser. So when you open it up, you have the device right here, which is like a little clamper with the lights in there. And then you have a charging cable. And a little book with the instructions. The instructions are really minimal, it's just 2 pages with specs. And then the instructions here, just is to clean your nails beforehand and trim them as much as possible. And then put this device on. And then after 7 minutes, the device turns off automatically and one treatment is completed. It says to use it 2 times a day. Each time you can use it for 1 to 2 rounds. So that's 7 or 14 minutes. And stick to it for 3 months and you will see improvement. Okay, so let's see how that works. You just needed to give it a little charge before you could start using this. As you can see, the light will turn on now. So let's just put this on the nail like so. So it feels a little bit warm. As you can see, the blue light here is emitted. So now we need to wait for 7 minutes for it to kick in. So now I need to do this every day for 3 months. So it is a really cool device. The downside here is if you have multiple nails that have fungus, then you need to put this on each one separately and then 7 minutes at a time. So that could take quite a while. But of course you can do other stuff like work or other things where you just need to sit down anyway and go about your day. So I really recommend this for anyone who wants a different toe fungus device.